A landlord banned tenants from touching his own furniture in his own compound.
And that's not even the craziest part of this one.
Is Diviotin's one. This is help in chaos. A whole compound of tenants drowning in rent problems, landlord wahala, and compound meetings that solve nothing.
In the middle of all that chaos, there's Rita, hardworking, struggling, until a new tenant named Obik moves in and everything shifts.
Of course, the neighbors notice immediately.
And where there's attraction in that compound, jealousy is never far behind.
I created this podcast video using my face, using my own image, sitting with a woman and discussing about podcast, about what is happening. So a lot of people have been asking me how would they create a podcast videos like this using their own face, using their image, using their the type of studio they want. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a podcast video like this using your image to be creating a podcast video because going viral right now and it is paying a lot of people. A lot of people are making money right now on podcast videos like this. So I'm going to show you how you can also create a podcast video like this using AI for free. You don't need to pay for any AI tool. Every method I'm going to show you right now, it is free. So without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it.
Now, this is the first thing we are going to do to start generating our video. The first thing we are going to do is to head over to our Google Play Store where we are downloading app. If you are using iPhone, all you need to do is to use the browser. And if you are using Android phone, you can go to your Google Play Store and you go and search for the name of this AI tool. It is called Flow AI. This is the AI tool here. It's also asking me to update, but I don't want to update right now. Let me log into the AI app. I have the app on my phone already. So this is the app. All you just need to do, just register on the app. And when you register on the app, the first thing you have to do is just to click on new here. As you can see, this new, you just tap on this new. And when you tap on new, it's going to open a new interface for you where you can start generating your images, you can start generating your videos, everything. So we are going to be using this AI tool for free and generate our podcast video. So now you can use your image. So I'm going to show you how you can use your image. So the next thing you are going to do is to copy this master prompt. This is the master prompt we are going to use to generate our image. This master prompt you are seeing right here. So you just copy it, and when you copy it, all you need to do is just to come to the Flow AI here. You are going to see it is on image here, as you can see image below here. So you click on this plus icon, you click on images, and it's going to take you to your phone gallery. You can upload your image. So let me upload this my image. I want to use this my image here. And after uploading the image, I'll just click on done. You can upload any of your image. You can upload your image, any image. Let me upload another image. I don't like this one. Let me click on images again. This one is looking somehow. So let me upload another image. I have one image here that looks so beautiful. So you can upload any image of yourself. So let me upload this one. Now this is the image I want to use. This image here. So this is the image I want to use. So all I just need to do, I'll just paste that prompt here. I'll paste that prompt I just copied right now. I'll paste the prompt here and I'll tap on this image. So I'm going to set this on Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro. Then my aspect ratio, I can decide to select 9:16 or I can decide to select 16:9. Depend on the kind of podcast video I want to create. So if I want to be posting it on my Facebook, I can decide to choose 9:16, or my YouTube, I can decide to choose 16:9. So after that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this generate, this arrow here. This here, I'll click on this, and after I click on this, remember I added my image because I want to use my image on the podcast. So if you don't want to use your own image, you can add anybody image, and if you don't even have anybody image you want to use, you can just paste the prompt, and immediately you paste the prompt, the AI tool is going to generate the image for you. So this master prompt I use, to generate this image I'm generating right now. If you need this master prompt, all you just need to do, just go to the description of this video or the comment section of this video. I'm going to leave down the link there where you can get this master prompt so that you can also use it to generate your own image, so that it's going to look like my own. So let's wait for the result of the image. Sorry, my network is little slow. Now, as you can see, this is the result here. Now, it is not that bad. So if you don't have your own image, you can use anybody's image. So if you don't like it, you can decide to change it. So as you can see, the name here. So if you need this master prompt, all you just need to do, just go to the comment section of this video or the description of this video so that you can create something amazing like this. So if you look at the image I gave to it, this is my image. Here, this is the image I gave to it to use for my own, and this is it here, and this is me here, as you can see. So if you don't like the image, you can decide to change it, ask him to generate something new again, and okay. And this girl was generated by the AI. So now, after you got your image, you can decide to download the image to your phone. Just click on download and you download the image. Now, after you get your image, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to the comment section of this video or the description of this video. Now you head over to the second prompt. Now this is the second prompt, and the second prompt will also be in the description of this video. So the comment section, you are going to get the two prompts. All you just need to just copy the second prompt. Now when you copy the second prompt, you can head over to your ChatGPT. Just head over to ChatGPT and you paste the prompt there, so you're going to generate your videos. Now come down to ChatGPT and you paste this master prompt here. And when you paste master prompt, you are going to see where it says paste your topic or movie summary. So maybe if you want to do why I say movie summary, maybe if you want to do podcast about movie, there is a movie or any news or any podcast you want to write about, you can just put your podcast idea here. So for example, let me go to YouTube. I'm going to copy a movie summary and I'm going to paste it here, and we are going to use it as our podcast. Now let me go to YouTube. Let's go to YouTube. Let me go to YouTube on my phone. This is YouTube. It's okay. Let me search for Nollywood movies. Maybe Nollywood movies 2026. Now let's look for a movie. Now, like this movie here, this zombie movie, we just tap on the movie here. Okay, let's try to play the movie. But I have to put it on. Okay, let me reduce the volume so that it will not disturb us because of copyright. So just try to play the movie. If you want to copy any movie summary, then you are going to see this AI button here below here. Just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you are going to see where they see summary of the movie. So let's click on it. Maybe I want to get the summary of this movie so that I can use it to generate my podcast. Now this is the summary of the movie. So let me just copy everything here like this. Let's copy everything from here like this from beginning. So we just copy it down. Let's just copy from here like this. Okay, let's copy this. I just want to use this for example. Then we'll come back here and we are going to paste it here. So as you can see, I've copied the movie summary. I just paste it here because I want to use it for the podcast. So now the next thing, I'll just click on generate. And when you click on generate, ChatGPT has understand everything because of the what is it called? The master prompt I gave to it. It will just start writing the podcast, what the people are going to say on the podcast, how the dialogue is going to be, everything. Now, as you can see, it says scene 1 here. That is focus both. So as you can see, this is the image master prompt. We have done that before. So all we just need to do is just to copy this like this. As you can see, a wide shot of the both host seated in the podcast studio. The host lens, as you can see, focus. So this is the host dialogue, this is the guest dialogue, everything that we said, everything is being dropped out here. So all I just need to do is just to copy this master prompt like this. First scene here, we just copy it, the first scene. We click on copy, and after we copy, the next thing we go back to Flow AI. Remember, we have generated our image. So this is the image, the first image here. This is the image. Then we click on animate here, and we click on animate. You just paste that prompt. We just copy right now, and after we paste that prompt, we click on animate again, and you take it to 10 seconds, and make sure you select Omni Flash because that is what we want to use. Omni Flash. You select it and you put it on Omni Flash and you put it in 10 seconds. And after you put it in 10 seconds, make sure you come back to your dialogue here. where you are going to see the dialogue. Your dialogue here. Now, as you can see, host. That is the dialogue host. Make sure you put mail, the man. Put the man on the host. Sorry, it's writing this somewhere. Just come down to the dialogue. Where you see the dialogue, the man. Why I'm putting the man is that because of the AI should understand who is to talk. And I also remove this comma on my dialogue. I don't like to put comma on my dialogue. Now, where you say guest, as you can see guest, now the guest will start talking. Then I will say the woman. I'll add the woman so that the AI will understand who we talk. Then I also remove comma here. Always remove comma on your dialogue if you don't want your dialogue to shift to another person. Now, after that, the next thing you are going to do, after setting everything, you click on generate here. And when you click on generate, it's going to turn this image to a podcast video for you. So it's going to turn it to a podcast video for you. So just allow it to complete and it's going to turn it to a podcast video for you. So let's wait for it. Now the video has been generated. This is the video here. Let's tap on it. Now this is the video. Let me play it so that you guys are going to see it. Let me increase my volume back.
Changes everything.
And trust me, nobody saw that shocking moment coming.
Imagine tenants fighting every single day, but the biggest secret changes everything.
And trust me, nobody saw that shocking moment coming.
Now
Imagine
you
tenants.
see the video. You see the video. We just generate our first scene. Then after you generate your first scene, you go back to ChatGPT again. Just go back to ChatGPT. Now you're coming down to scene 2. As you can see, scene 2. Here you copy the camera from the camera movement again. As you can see, you just copy here like this. You don't need to do anything. The master prompt I gave you will do everything for you, just to be copying and you'll be generating. Now you come down to the Flow AI again. You tap on the first image and you click on animate again. You are using one image. You don't need to be generating images. No, you are using one image. You paste your prompt again, the second prompt for the second scene. Now you come to the dialogue. You come to the dialogue again. You check the dialogue where it says dialogue here, the host. Write the man. Just write the man. And you check it. If there's any comma, you remove it. Then after that, I think it's only the man that will talk. So that is why we write the man here. And after that, the next thing, you click on this animate. Make sure you put it in 10 seconds. Make sure you always put it in 10 seconds. And you click on generate. And when you click on generate, it's going to start generating the second video for you. That is for scene 2. And after that, we are going to head over to the next scene also. So if you are using a free plan, just like me right now, it will show you are running low on Google Flow. As you can see, you don't have credit, but don't worry, just click on dismiss and just wait for it, and it's going to generate this video. So just wait for it. So if you need this master prompt I used to generate this video, the master prompt I used to generate the images, and the master prompt I used to generate the video, the full scene. If you need the master prompt, all you just need to do, just head over to the comment section of this video or the description of this video. You are going to see a link there. You click on the link and it's going to take you to where you are going to get the master prompt. So the both master prompt, I'm going to leave it down on that link. So the video has been generated. As you can see, this is the second video. So let's play it also. Now this is it. Let me play it.
Help in Chaos throws us into a compound where unpaid rent, constant arguments, and everyday survival turn ordinary neighbors into unexpected enemies, almost overnight. Help in Chaos throws us into a compound where unpaid rent, constant arguments, and everyday survival turn ordinary neighbors into unexpected enemies.
Now you can see the second one. Also, now we just move back to ChatGPT again. Now coming back to ChatGPT, we are going to copy the next one, which is the scene 3. So you just be copying it. You just copy it like this. This is the most simplest things to do. You just copy it and you go back to the AI again. Now you are using the first image, this image again. You don't need to generate any image. You click on animate and you paste this here. You paste it, and after you paste it, you just check the dialogue again. Check your dialogue, and this is the guest talking right now. You put the woman, just write the woman so that it's going to understand. So if you are using like 2 man now, you just write the man on the left or the man in the right. So that is what you are going to classify. Then you check your dialogue. If there is point or any comma, you remove it. So I love doing this to all my dialogue so that it will not shift my dialogue. Now you click on animate and you put it on 10 seconds. After putting it on 10 seconds again, the next thing you click on this arrow to generate your next scene. Now as you can see, we have generated our first scene, we have generated our second scene, we'll generate our third scene, and we are going to add everything together. So after completely generating all your scenes, you are going to head over to CapCut where you are going to add everything together. Let me show you how you can also do so. But let's allow this video to generate first. Now the second scene has generated, so let's play it. Sorry, the third scene, let's play it so that you guys are also going to see it.
But the heartbreaking part is Rita's struggle. She's carrying everyone's burden while battling a devastating family emergency that could change her entire future forever. But the heartbreaking part
Now,
is
as you can
Rita's
see, this is the third one. So you just go back to ChatGPT again. Now, just go back to ChatGPT. You are going to see scene 4. As you can see, scene 4 with the dialogue. Scene 5. As you can see, scene 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up till, as you can see, how long you want your video to be. You can just be continuing generating your video. So now, let me take you guys to how you can match everything together, add everything together on CapCut. And to do that, all you just need to do is just to download your video.
Imagine tenants fighting every single day, but the biggest secret changes everything.
Let's download this video. You just click on this 3 dots up here and you click on download, and it's going to download this scene. So let's wait for it. You download this scene, you download everything, both the 3 of the video, you download everything. And after you download everything, the next thing is to head over to CapCut where you add everything together. Let me show you how you are going to do that. Now, before we move on, in case you want to generate your image and you want to change this name here, as you can see, maybe the name here, Nupe Flavor Podcast, or you want to change your name, you want to change your own studio, all you need to do, just go to the master prompt. On the master prompt, you are going to see where you are going to change the name on the master prompt, as you can see, where they say Nupe Flavor TV Podcast here. So if you get the master prompt, you can just clean this name here on the master prompt, the name here. You can just clean it, this name here. You can clean it and change it to your own. So anywhere you put see the right Nupe Flavor TV, you can decide to change it and make it your own. So put your own name there. So now let's go to CapCut. Let's go to CapCut and let me show you how you are going to add everything together. Now this is CapCut. Let me show you how you are going to do that. The next thing you click on new video, and when you click on new video, these are the 3 scenes we just generate right now. The first one, the second one, and the third one. You can then you click on add below, and after you click on add, this is how your video should look like, how it should look like. Now let's click on play.
Imagine tenants fighting every single day, but the biggest secret changes everything.
And trust me, nobody saw that shocking moment coming.
Help in Chaos throws us into a compound where unpaid rent, constant arguments, and everyday survival turn ordinary neighbors into unexpected enemies, almost overnight.
But the heartbreaking part is Rita's struggle. She's carrying everyone's burden while battling a devastating family emergency that could change her entire future forever.
So now, as you can see, all the scene has been added together. So all you just need to do is just to add your own transaction here. You add your own transaction, add some little editing so that it will look very nice. So I don't need to show you that because I've made video about that before. So or you can do your own, add some editing so that it will look nice. You can add background sound if you want. If you you can also color grade it to your own taste again. So this is how it's going to look like. You add all these things together and everything is going to look very perfect, and you export your video and your video is going to look nice. But if you don't know how to do some edit the transition, or you don't know how to do the editing, you let me know and I'm going to teach you how you can do that. And if you also try it out, it did not work for you, want me to teach you one-on-one class, you can let me know and I'm going to teach you how you can do it on one-on-one class, showing you how you can do everything step by step.
Now you have seen everything, how you can create a postcard video using your face for free. You don't need to pay for any AI tools. The only thing you need is the master prompt. And to get access to that master prompt, just like I said, I'm going to leave down the link below so that you can check it out and get your master prompt there. So with that master prompt, you can generate videos like this for free. Just follow the method I show you right now on this video. So see you guys on our next video.